In this video, I'll show you how to install Microsoft Teams. So what we would need is the Linux Debian package. We can click this link to download the Debian package. Once the download is complete, we can click on this icon over here, this folder icon, and that should say files download is ready. Once we click this, you would see the package we just downloaded. Now, in order to install this, we need to open a terminal. So we can do that by going into the app launcher and then clicking the terminal icon. And now we have our terminal. Now let's set the downloads folder as our current directory. So let's do cd downloads, and we can type ls to list the files in that specific folder. So now we can type sudo apt space install, and then type a dot and slash and type teams and hit tab. That should autocomplete the file. And we press enter. This will ask us for our super user password. So we enter that. And now we press Y to install this package. And now Teams has been successfully installed on our computer. We can go into the app launcher, then scroll, and we can see our Microsoft Teams preview. And we now have Microsoft Teams running on our Ubuntu PC. We can click Get Started to set it up. You can log into your school email address or work email address to proceed with using Teams. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe. Hope you liked the video.